Welcome to Speak English Now, your ultimate English listening journey. Today, we have a very special story for you. Listen carefully, close your eyes, relax, and enjoy. Before we begin, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to support our long-form English series. Now, let us start. Chapter 1. The Bad Habit of Translation. Hello. Today, we want to talk about the biggest secret to speaking English fluently. We want to talk about how to think in English. Many people make a big mistake when they want to speak. First, they think of an idea in their native language. Second, they translate the words into English inside their head. Third, they check the grammar rules. Finally, they open their mouth and speak. This process is very long and heavy. It feels like a slow computer. By the time you finish translating the sentence, the conversation has moved forward. You feel stressed and you lose your confidence. Translation is a bad habit. It creates a wall between your mind and your voice. When you translate, you are not speaking English, you are just repeating a code. If you want to speak fast and naturally, you must stop translating. You must teach your brain to connect English words directly to real-world objects and feelings. Today, we will learn how to build this connection step by step. Chapter 2. Naming the world around you. How do we start thinking in English? We start with the smallest steps. We start with single words. You do not need to think in complex paragraphs on day one. Look around your room right now. What do you see? You see a window, a door, a bed, a table, and a phone. From today, look at these objects and say their names only in English inside your head. When you look at the glass of water, do not say the name in your native language. Say window, chair, water, book. Do this everywhere you go. When you walk in the street, look at a car and think car. Look at a tree and think tree. Look at a cat and think cat. This exercise is very simple, but it is incredibly powerful. You are training your brain to stop using your native language as a bridge. You are creating a direct link between your eyes and the English vocabulary. It takes zero extra time, and you can practice it all day long. Chapter 3. Thinking in simple sentences. After 1 week of naming single words, you're ready for step number 2. Now, you must think in very simple sentences. Talk about your actions using basic structures. When you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I am waking up. I am drinking coffee. I am washing my face. When you go to work, think, the bus is late. The sun is hot. I am walking. Do not worry about advanced vocabulary or perfect grammar. The goal here is speed and automation, not perfection. If you see a beautiful flower, do not try to think, what a magnificent botanical creation. Just think, the flower is beautiful. By doing this, you are building the rhythm of the language inside your subconscious mind. You are teaching your brain that English is a living tool for daily life, not just a subject in a textbook. Chapter 4. Change your digital environment. Your brain is a product of its environment. If your phone, your computer, and your TV are all set to your native language, your brain will always prefer comfort. It will not look for English because it doesn't need to. You must change your digital environment today. Go to the settings of your mobile phone and change the language to English. Change the language of your Facebook, your YouTube, and your email accounts. In the beginning, this will feel a little difficult and uncomfortable. You might spend an extra minute looking for a button, but this discomfort is exactly how your brain grows. After 3 days, your eyes will get used to the English words like settings, notifications, and share. You will understand them automatically without translation. You are forcing your mind to live in an English world, even if you live in another country. Chapter 5. Guess the meaning. Stop using the dictionary. Another big trap that prevents thinking in English is the bilingual dictionary. When people read a text and see a new word, they stop immediately. They open the dictionary to find the translation in their native language. This breaks the flow of thought and brings you back to your native mind. Instead of translating, try to guess the meaning from the context. Look at the words around the new word. For example, if you read, "The sky was dark, the wind was loud, and the rain started to drench my clothes." Maybe you do not know the word drench, but you know sky, dark, wind, and rain. You can guess that drench means making the clothes very wet. Guessing is a natural human skill. It trains your brain to think dynamically. If you must use a dictionary, use an English-to-English dictionary for beginners. Read the simple English definition of the word. This keeps your mind inside the English zone and prevents translation. Chapter 6. Patience and Daily Practice. We have reached the final chapter. The journey to thinking in English requires patience. You cannot change 20 years of native language habits in 24 hours. It is a slow transformation. In the beginning, you will forget. You will start thinking in your native language again. That is completely okay. Do not get angry at yourself. When you realize you are translating, gently pull your mind back and switch to English. Consistency is the secret key. Listening to this 20-hour series on Speak English Now is a massive help. The more correct English you put into your ears, the easier it becomes for your brain to produce English thoughts automatically. You are feeding your mind the right materials. Trust the process. One day, very soon, you will have a small dream in English, or you will answer someone without thinking. You will smile and realize that the invisible wall is gone. You are officially thinking in English. Thank you for listening to this story on Speak English Now. You are doing a wonderful job with your English. Every minute you listen, you become better. You did it! You finished this part. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next part.